Ninu Nursery Kids Rhymes.
Hello little friends, come and see ocean fun for you and me. Waves go splash, fish say hi, colorful friends swimming by. Little fish swim left and right, shiny scales so clean and bright. Swish, 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 tails go round, happy ocean, happy sounds. Mommy fish says follow me, Daddy fish swims strong and free. Baby fish laughs, clap, 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 ocean dance, tap, tap, tap. Jellyfish go wiggle, wiggle, seahorses giggle, giggle, giggle. Turtles slow, dolphin fast, ocean fun that's made to last. Swim up, swim down, spin around, don't you frown. Touch the water, jump with glee, happy ocean family. Yellow fish, red fish, blue and green, prettiest fish you ever seen. Big fish, small fish, side by side, ocean friends enjoy the ride. Crab goes click, click on the sand, starfish clap with tiny hands. Octopus waves hello to you, 1, 2, 3, let's count them too. Swim together, sing along, ocean music, happy song. Laugh and play the whole day through, ocean friends love me and you. Sun goes down, moon says hi, stars are twinkling in the sky. Wave goodbye, see you soon, ocean friends will meet you. Swim up, swim down, spin around, don't you frown. Touch the water, jump with glee, happy ocean family. Swim up, swim down, spin around, don't you frown. Touch the water, jump with glee, happy ocean family. Happy ocean family.
Ninu Nursery Kids Rhymes.
Choo choo choo, the train is here. Choo choo choo, come on my dear. Happy kids are waving high. Choo choo train is passing by. Red and blue, the engine bright. Rolling day and rolling night. Choo choo choo, chuck chuck chuck. Funny train, chuck chuck chuck. Elephant goes stomp stomp stomp. Puppy says woof and jumps. Kitty says meow so sweet. Monkey dances